We live in the forest, neighbors side by side, at peace with one another, no need to run and hide. For we are nature's children, a happy family. Together in the woodland, it's a friendly place to be. So very different, we come in many flavors, but all we taste is friendship, 'cause we don't eat the neighbors.
Barry, are you coming to Family Fun Day tomorrow?
Oh, totally. So, is that your model for the Design a Village Hall competition?
No, we have a family of fairies staying with us.
Oh, do they bite?
Yes, it's my model.
It's okay, but it's not as good as mine.
I thought that was your lunch.
That's what you're supposed to think. But inside, it's really a secret crime-fighting lab with, a fake roof to let the stealth copter out. And I'll be team leader. And I'll have a second-in-command who's jealous of my rank, but who secretly respects me. What do you think?
I think I am so going to win.
Yo, Lucy, my man. Barry, what's up?
Simon, why are you talking like that?
'Cause I is one big bad wolf. And I is hanging with the Woodland Massive posse. Hey, bros, how you doing? Jeremy, my man, lay some hoof on me. Respect.
That's not a posse, Simon. It's a herd.
Oh.
Bum 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 ding ding. Gotta find the recipe. Gotta find the recipe. Ding 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 ding. Gotta find the recipe.
They had a pondweed sorbet to die for. I can't wait to taste it. Okay. Raw liver. Squeaky toy moose. Imported Canadian wolf snacks. Wait a minute. I bought crunchy peanut butter. This isn't my shopping.
I can't find the recipe. How am I going to humiliate Fox in the jam-making competition now?
But you use the same recipe every year.
Yes, but it's the ancient jam recipe of all rabbits, and it must be strictly adhered to.
You can't remember it, can you?
I'm almost certain it's got fruit in it somewhere. Oh, I'm sure it was on the table when you were writing your shopping list.
Is it really scrappy and old and looks like it might not be anything important?
Yes. Where are you going?
I noticed a dangerous-looking gang of sheep hanging around outside earlier. I'll just check they haven't eaten the hedge or anything.
The ancient jam recipe of all rabbits.
Pondweed sorbet? Shell protector? Where's my fang whitener?
My dear Wolf, do you realize what this means?
It means it's time they stop hiring moles to pack the groceries.
It means that this year, for the first time since records began, a fox is going to win the Woodland Family Fun Day jam-making competition. Now, where's my pinny?
Hey, Dad. I brought the posse round to chill to a few sounds, know what I mean? Respect.
Okay, just don't get wool on the furniture. Hey! Hey, come on, out, come on, Hall Shanks, come on, move it out of here, come on, out! Hey, stop nibbling, you, out of here, come on, out!
Dad!
How can I strike terror into everyone's hearts with sheep in my living room?
Yo, you diss my posse, you diss me.
Gotta think of a recipe. Oh, gotta think of a recipe. And then get this splinter out of my tongue.
you doing?
Hey,
Woodland Massive rules. Barry?
it's just pencil. Once I'm in the gang, I'm going to rub it out.
Don't, Barry. You'll really regret it. Trust me.
How would you know, little Miss Lucy Pants?
Well, I know because I stole something from a big shop once.
Wow! What did you steal?
I stole a pair of trainers.
Did you get caught?
Yes. There was a whole public scandal. Questions were asked in Parliament. It was terrible. Which is how I know it's a mistake to do bad things, okay? Barry.
Sorry, it's just that I've never met anyone who's stolen something before. Can I have your autograph?
Well, that saw them off. Oh, and while I was out there, I happened to find this old bit of paper on the path.
Give me that. Oh, it's the recipe.
Really?
Yes! Fox is going to suffer now. Right, first, take your potato. Potato?
Maybe it's a secret ingredient.
Yes, of course, the secret ingredient. Potato, 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 potato.
Dad, I need you to fix a light on my model. Not that anyone's going to beat me or anything. Maybe I should install central heating.
If I promise to do it later, I'm still a good dad, right?
I suppose so.
Oh, and Lucy, Terrapin says there's a gang of hedge-eating sheep hanging around. You will stay away from them, won't you?
Yes.
Ha! Potato, now we're cooking.
Everybody in the garden, make some noise!
Simon,
Don't interrupt me, man. I'm scratching.
but I've got something, like, really amazing to tell you.
Oh, yeah?
Lucy once stole a pair of trainers. From a shop. And she got caught.
OK, we've added the curry powder and washing up liquid, so it should be about ready. How do the twins like it?
They love it.
Oh, not now, Lucy. I'm busy.
I didn't ask you to do anything.
Always pays to anticipate. Boom. Right, now for the moment of truth.
Well, did we use any fruit at all? That depends. Is soap fruit?
We need raspberries. From the secret raspberry bush of all rabbits. Where's the map? Where's the map? It was with the recipe.
There was a map?
Where are you going?
I think I heard that gang of sheep nibbling at the hedge again. I'll just go and, bye.
Gotta draw a map, gotta draw a map. Gotta draw a map, gotta draw a map. Gotta draw a map, gotta draw a map.
The ingredients are in place. The pan is warming on the stove, and my chest is quivering in anticipation of the caress of that winner's rosette. What are you doing?
Well, we didn't have any raspberries, so I improvised.
No raspberries? But this is the largest jam-making contest in the area. There won't be any fruit for miles.
How about the secret raspberry bush of all rabbits?
I'm saved.
So, the raspberries?
Oh, yes. Sorry. I was miles away.
Which way now?
Right.
Right. Oh!
Or possibly left.
Too late! Wolf and I have got the raspberries.
And now we're going to get you! And you're right, it does help to rehearse.
Well, Terrapin, it looks like we're going to, Oh, look, what's that? Now run for it!
Terrapin, give me the bag, or I'll use your shell for a flower pot.
Do you mean you'll take my shell and put flowers in it? Or I'll be walking around with flowers growing on me?
Which is more evil?
Or the first one?
And the first one it is.
All right.
Terrapin! Of the raspberries, I knew I could rely on you.
Yes.
Well, what are you waiting for? Put them in the pot.
Right.
Now what?
Add 2 pounds of sugar and a potato.
A potato?
That's what it says.
Must be the secret ingredient.
It also says pondweed, shell protector, and algae substitute.
Do we have those things?
We do, actually.
Excellent.
Fox thinks he's so clever, but he can't outwit me. Oh, no.
Hi, Dad. Look, about my model.
No problemo. I can do that for you.
Really?
Of course, just as soon as I've got my jam all bottled up and labelled and everything. Shall we say sometime next week?
Forget it!
Oh, dear. Lucy! Ouch! 1 minute she was my sweet little girl, the next she's throwing things out of windows and walking around with a hanky on her head.
Or maybe she's been feeling a bit neglected.
I'm sorry, do you think I wouldn't notice if my own daughter was feeling neglected? It's my job to notice things.
So, do you want to help me get this village hall off my head?
OK, so I hadn't noticed that, but I'm worried about Lucy, aren't I?
I'll show him just how bad I can be. Oh, yeah. He'll be sorry.
And now for the shell protector. And tomorrow, when I walk onto that stage to accept my prize, I shall... I knew it was a mistake to buy a silk apron. This stuff is disgusting. Of course. How could I not see it before?
See what?
It was a trick. Rabbit has had the real recipe all along. He hasn't beaten me yet. Follow me, Wolf.
Where are we going?
To steal the real jam.
You made the right decision, man. Welcome to the Woodland Massive. Respect.
Respect. So, what are we going to do? Break some windows and vandalise the bus shelter? Well, that is the point of being in the gang, isn't it? To do loads of really bad stuff to upset your parents.
Well, I suppose we could ring my doorbell and run away. That might make my dad a bit cross.
Have none of you ever done anything bad at all?
Timothy once dropped a pizza on his brother's shoes, but that was an accident, really. Wasn't it, Tim?
I don't believe this.
You're like the baddest person we know because you stole a pair of trainers.
I didn't steal any trainers. I made the whole thing up. Can't anyone think of anything?
I know. We could, invent a death ray and target it on all the major capitals of the world from our rocket and, demand a ransom of $1 gazillion. Hey!
Barry, can you name even one major capital?
Well, we could start with the village hall and work up.
Hey, yeah, Barry, now you're cooking. If you trash the village hall, you can join our gang for definite.
You can't, Barry! Fun Day will be cancelled.
Don't listen to her, bruv, because you're nearly one of us. Trash the village hall and you'll be in the posse. And the posse is on the move.
1, 2, 3.
I'm free! I'm free! Oh, it's ruined. This is all my fault.
I can't take it anymore! The guilt, the lies, the endless lies!
Terrapin,
Actually, that feels better. Forget I said anything.
what have you done?
Oh, all right. It's just possible that I may be, in some small way, partly to blame for this current situation.
Because
Because you might not have had to waste so much time if I hadn't lost the real jam recipe and made up another one and then drew a new map.
So this jam is completely and utterly useless and it's all your fault.
Perhaps.
Great.
What did he do that for?
Give me that. Do you realize what this is?
Which one? I see 3 of them.
It's Rabbit's jam. He saved us the trouble of stealing it. Follow me. We've got a competition to win.
Barry, no! You're not a big bad wolf, and neither are they. They're sheep. Anyway, this gang's stupid. Jeremy's had so much bubblegum cut out of his fleece that he looks like he's got scabies. Barry, snap out of it.
I want to go home. Oops. Hey! Maybe a giant asteroid will hit the Earth tonight, and everyone will, blame it for the damage.
Okay, but just in case it doesn't, I think we should tidy up. Simon?
I was bored with those guys anyway, even if they hadn't just thrown me out of the gang.
I'm only speaking to you to tell you that I'm not speaking to you.
I know I haven't been the most attentive of fathers lately, but look, what do you think?
Dad, it's wonderful.
Yes. Well, as my jams failed, I thought...
Wait a minute. Did you do this to make up for your terrible neglect of parental duty, or just so the Rabbit family wins a prize?
Would you settle for both?
Clear the mantelpiece. Big trophy coming through.
special award for the worst ever jam in the history of jam making. I have never been so humiliated in my entire life.
Well, special award. I can't wait to tell the boys.
Congratulations, Wolf.
And what do you want?
Oh, nothing. I'm just in a good mood. Lucy's won the grand prize for her model. So, as a special favour, I thought you might like this.
The ancient recipe. Oh, I don't know what to say.
It's all right. No need to say anything, Wolf. Just enjoy your jam.
Now then, boys, pay attention, and maybe one day you can be a special award winner like me. Okay, first, take your potato.